This time at the Quick Speed Shop, I'm working on the Model A pickup bed. Oh crap, it's on fire! Look at it! It's on fire! There was old oak wood in the back of this. I got most of it out, but I was welding up here. There must be a piece trapped in here and it's on fire! But it's a real pain to get out. So I'm going to try to see if it'll burn itself out. I don't know, it's getting smoky in here. I got the fan going trying to evacuate. This is crazy. Come on now. Aha! Aha! Man, that old wood freaking burns like a son of a gun. Stuff's 90 years old. Ah, now it's on fire everywhere. Oh. I dumped it out in the snow. You can see what I did here is I welded this new panel along the box here. I welded it both sides all the way, and then on the outside edge I'm going to grind it. So I'll leave my material in here. I'm going to grind it smooth on the outside to make the nice contour. So that's why this thing was hot, because I've been welding all that up. So that's all done. I'm going to lay it back down, and then we're going to cut the frame covers here that used to be riveted to the bottom of the box. I'm going to trim this lip off here, and these are going to weld to the bottom of the box. So I'm going to flop this back down, and we'll take a look at that. Right here I am, I'm figuring. I laid the box back down, the fire's out. Here's the frame covers. Like I showed you, that when the bottom of this box is rounded, it matches this shape, and these used to rivet on here. And I was going to trim these off and weld them right to the bed. But then I've got a snafu. The shackles on the backs of the leaf springs will be up inside this part of the frame cover, and they're 41.5 inches wide. Or well, I need 41.5 inches to have a little bit of clearance to them. And if I've got this set at 41.5, but it moves the frame cover out about an inch on each side. So the problem I got here is it's moved the frame cover out about an inch away from the bed. What I want to do is I'm going to take these, I'm going to take the frame covers and I'm going to stick them on the frame first and try to clamp them on there and get a look at it, and then flip the box back over and set it down and see what that looks like, and just try to get an eyeball on what to do next. I didn't realize this corner was missing here. We'll cut that out. It's supposed to be rounded. I'll have to weld that back up. Alright, so here's what I got here. I got these slid ahead just a little bit because they need to be trimmed to clear the pillar on the back of the box there. So they're just slid ahead a little bit, but I've got them pulled out where they need to be, 41.5 inches, to clear the shackle back here. And I don't think I like this. It sticks out too far. It leaves like an inch shelf here. This is a piece of wheel well that was spot welded on here. And if I put it up where it would be, you can see how much this is sticking out. So I can't cheat it this way. And this leaves a pretty big shelf here that's kind of noticeable real here. So what I think I'm going to do is, on the back where the shackle is, I think I will use a hole saw, and I'll cut a round hole and I'll make a pocket that's at an angle that matches where the travel of the shackle is going to be. And it'll come out probably flush this and just be a pocket for the shackle to travel in. That way I can take and I can suck this back up in here, something like that. There'll be a little bit more of a gap than there was factory, and I'll have to take these and I'll channel these. I'll take some width out of here and make these match back up so it'll look pretty much like it did originally. So I've just been looking at it, trying to make sure I don't want to cut anything till I get it figured out what I want to do. So I've been doing a lot of sitting and looking at it, trying to figure out what the best course of action is. When I figure it out, I'll figure it out. So I'm going to think on this, and I'm going to figure out what I want to do here with the shackle cover, and get this dialed in. But in the meantime, I got to work on my Doodlebug project, so I think I'm going to stop here and get back on this after I figure out what I want to do. So I think over there I'm going to put a circle, hit that to subscribe right there, pink. Putting out new videos every Wednesday and Saturday, so tell your friends, hit the blue bell for the alerts, and as always, we'll see you again at the Quick Speed Shop.